Welcome back to Apply EBP's channel. Today we're answering a question we're asked often. What are the best tests for assessing activities of daily living, or ADLs? ADLs are everyday self-care tasks that support a child's independence and participation. Assessing ADLs helps teams understand where a child may need support so that interventions can be targeted to real-life routines at home and school. So today, we're sharing Apply EBP's top 3 tests for ADLs. All of the tools we'll discuss today are completed by adults, such as parents, caregivers, or educators. Because of that, they're not dependent on a child's age or cognitive level, which allows teams to gather functional information across a wide range of learners. Our first pick is the Pediatric Evaluation of Disability Inventory Computer Adaptive Test, or the PEDICAT. The PEDICAT is a parent or caregiver questionnaire that assesses functional abilities for children and youth from birth through age 20. Why do we like this test? The questions are written in everyday language and supported with examples and illustrations, which makes it easier for caregivers to answer accurately. It can be used as a norm reference test to compare a child's performance to peers, and as a criterion referenced outcome measure to monitor progress over time. It's also been widely used in research, and there's even a PEDICAT version specifically designed for autistic children. The PEDICAT includes 4 domains: daily activities, mobility, social, cognitive skills, and responsibility. You don't have to administer all of them. You can select the domains that are most relevant. Because it's a computer adaptive test, the computer algorithm selects items that are most appropriate for the child's ability level, reducing the number of questions needed while still providing precise results. The test can be delivered in a content-balanced version that takes about 20 to 30 minutes, or in a speedy version that can be completed in as little as 10 to 15 minutes. Next is the role evaluation of activities of life, also known as the REAL. The REAL is a parent or caregiver self-report that focuses on how a child takes care of themselves across home, school, and community environments. Why do we like this test? It's quick, typically takes only 15 to 20 minutes to complete, making it a great option when time is limited. One unique feature of the REAL is its age-specific, single-page educational brochures titled Developing Independent Level Skills, which span ages 2 through 18. These brochures are easy to share with caregivers and can support education and collaboration beyond the evaluation itself. The REAL includes 2 domains: activities of daily living, with 78 items, and instrumental activities of daily living, with 58 items. Together, they provide a broad picture of independence and daily functioning. Our third pick is transition planning tools. When working with students approaching transition age, it's always best to start by checking in with your school's transition team. Many teams are already using transition tools that assess areas related to post-school outcomes. Ask the team if you can help administer sections within your scope of practice, or help interpret results using your OT, PT, or SLP expertise. One example is the Transition Rating Scale, TRS. The TRS is designed to support transition planning in alignment with the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act. It's very affordable, costing about $2 per test, and it focuses on 3 key post-school outcome areas: post-secondary education, employment, and independent living. There are 5 separate forms that can be completed by an educator and/or parent. They are tailored for learners with mild disabilities, moderate to significant needs for support, and pervasive, long-term needs for support. This flexibility makes it easier to match the tool to the student's profile and transition goals. Before purchasing a new assessment, it's worth reviewing what you already have. Many standardized assessments include ADL components. For example, the Developmental Assessment of Young Children, or DAYC2, covers ADLs for younger children. And for students with suspected developmental coordination disorder, tools like the DCD Daily and DCD Daily Q may also be appropriate, which we covered in our previous top 3 tests for DCD video. If you'd like to deepen your skills in assessment and evidence-based intervention, explore Apply EBP's live courses, including Everything's Measurable and school-based OT evaluation. And be sure to join us at our annual school-based OT, PT, and SLP symposium, where clinicians come together to learn, share, and grow. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it with a colleague, and subscribe for more practical, evidence-based resources. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.